Hello everyone, this is Robinson from NovaStar Europe team. You are like to see ISE 2020 here. Today I'd like to give brief introduction about what we have displayed here. As you can see here, this beautiful area have some fruit demo and have the live camera. This is we are showing HDR new technology we have seen here, including our new hardware and software. We call it color management. First, as you can see here, it is hardware, MCTRL4K controller, plus our receiving card A8S and A10S Plus. This is a total display of our hardware, and also including our software, which is Nova LCT. From top, you can see this screen have a comparison from the left and right. This is common display of the LCD screen display, and from the right side, which is we are using color management to enhance the display. As a technology, we gave the name, which is showing it is our new 22-bit plus technology and 653535 grade calibration of the grayscale. This total area displayed is our color management new technology. Yeah. With more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.novastar.tech. Thank you.